So today we're going to be unboxing and completely assembling our Garvee furniture canopy. We're going to go ahead and take it out of the box. We're going to do a time lapse with the assembly, and I'm going to show you everything that's included and the assembly process. All right, so as you can see, we got everything out of the box. We have this steel frame here. We have the little bag that has the pegs. We got the canopy on this. We have this other one, and everything that you see right here actually came inside of the bag right here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and assemble it now, put it together, and see how easy this is. All right, so take a look. We have it positioned now. We just gotta go ahead and fully extend it. So here we are extending it. We actually added the cover on the top before fully expanding it. We found this to be easier before we expanded it and we couldn't reach it. So I'd personally recommend you try it out this way. And then once we extended it, then it was so much easier. I went underneath it just to push it up. And then we went ahead and ensured that the cover was placed correctly. Then we started putting it up. As you could see, it was so simple to do. You could probably do this alone, but honestly, I think it's much easier if you are doing it with a partner. All right, so we are almost done. As you could see here, it is fully assembled. This honestly took about 5 minutes, fully putting this together. The net on top, the canopy. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the inside part. That is what the inside looks like. Very, very nice. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the mosquito nets on, but this is what it is currently looking like. Super easy, fast assembly. Now we're going to install the netting. So here we are installing the netting. The net itself has some Velcro and also the canopy. So all you have to do is just attach them together, make sure that it is facing correctly, and you are done. All right, so as you can see, we put the netting on it. It is done. The great thing about these is that you could actually open these up. Look at the netting, so no mosquitoes, no bugs are going to be going into it. This one's actually open already, so as you can see, this allows you to go in to your canopy. There's plenty of space in here, super nice. You could put a patio set, you could lounge. This is perfect, especially as it starts to heat up. Definitely recommend, easy to assemble. So if you've been looking for a new canopy, one that's available in a variety of colors, then definitely check this one out. It was easy to assemble. It is affordable and available in a variety of colors. I'll go ahead and link it down below for you so you can check it out for yourself. Make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.